Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2015 Set B IEO question paper for class 4 students. I have already uploaded some other IEO, NSO and IMO question papers for class 4 students. You please go to the playlist in Students Reference channel and click Olympiad Class 4 to get these question papers. And today's first topic is word and structure knowledge. For questions 1 to 11, choose the correct word or phrase to complete each sentence. Example, due to the noisy traffic outside, I find it difficult to concentrate on my studies. 1. Jaya had a big lunch. She dares to eat dinner. Can want, might not want, may definitely want. The answer is B. Might not want. Jaya had a big lunch. She might not want to eat dinner. 2. I need to boil some water. Please bring me dash. A sink, a hot water bottle, a kettle. The answer is C. A kettle. I need to boil some water. Please bring me a kettle. 3. English dash in Australia and New Zealand too. Speaks, speakers is spoken. The answer is C. Is spoken. English is spoken in Australia and New Zealand too. 4. We usually dash music in the car when we go on long drives. Play, plays, played. The answer is A. Play. We usually play music in the car when we go on long drives. 5. How much does the ticket cost? Does is do. The answer is A. Does. How much does the ticket cost? 6. Does Anita and Ketan have lunch together yesterday? Do, did, does. The answer is B. Did. Did Anita and Ketan have lunch together yesterday? 7. Does Gina and Fred staying at your house this week or is will? The answer is A. Are. Are Gina and Fred staying at your house this week? 8. Mom gave us money dash to the cinema. To watch, to see, to go. The answer is C. To go. Mom gave us money to go to the cinema. 9. Do you know of dash clubs in the school that I would join? Every, many, any. The answer is C. Any. Do you know of any clubs in the school that I would join? 10. Which is dash city in the world? The bigger, biggest, the biggest. The answer is C. The biggest. Which is the biggest city in the world? 11. You must dash the museum there because it has an excellent collection of tribal art. Come over to visit. The answer is C. Visit. You must visit the museum there because it has an excellent collection of tribal art. Rearrange the words or phrases to form a meaningful sentence. Example, likes mother doesn't, dogs but my father. The answer is my father likes dogs but my mother doesn't. 12. Detective, the black coat, the man in is a. You read the given options. The answer is the man in the black coat is a detective. So the first letter is C. A has C as first. So the answer is A. Next topic is reading. For questions 13 to 19, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. I saw the old line first on 30th June. It looked quite weak as it walked feebly to the pond. On 2nd July around 4 p.m. I spotted it again. This time the line was near the porcupine group I was following. I focused my binoculars on it and stayed in my jeep to watch. The lion must have been too old to chase other animals. It must have been unbearably hungry because just after sunset it attacked a porcupine. At first, it kept circling around the porcupine. Then it tried to claw it. As the lion brought its face closer, the porcupine turned around and charged into its face. A number of quills pierced the lion's face. The lion growled in deep pain and left the place slowly. 4 days passed. Early evening, I found the lion dead. When I helped the forest department's veterinary doctor perform the post-mortem, I noticed that one of the sharp quills had penetrated so deep that it had reached the lion's brain. I heard here that a porcupine's quill can travel a distance of over 2.5 centimeters every day, but this was the first time I saw a first-hand instance. When a porcupine shoots a quill, it lodges itself deep in the body, causing deep wound. As the muscles around the wound contract, they push the quill deeper and deeper till it reaches the bones or some vital organs like heart, lungs, kidneys, or brain. This way, a vital organ is punctured and the foolish predator dies. 13. The passage reads like a dash. Newspaper article, naturalist's diary, veterinary doctor's record. The answer is B. Naturalist's diary. 14. The writer was in the forest because he was dash. Studying the lion, studying a group of porcupines, helping the veterinary doctor. The answer is B. Studying a group of porcupines. 15. The lion attacked the porcupine because dash. It could not chase larger animals. They were readily available. It usually got extremely hungry at sunset. The answer is A. It could not chase larger animals. The answer is given here. The lion must have been too old to chase other animals. 16. The lion kept circling around the porcupine because dash. It was feeling dizzy due to hunger and weakness. It was trying to fool the porcupine. It could not figure out a way to attack the porcupine. The answer is C. 17. The porcupine turned around and charged into the lion's face because dash. It wanted to protect itself. It was afraid of other animals behind it. It was trying to get to a safe place. The answer is A. It wanted to protect itself. 18. The word postmortem means a or an dash. Operation done to remove the quills, procedure to dispose of the lion's dead body, examination to know the cause of death. The answer is C. Examination to know the cause of death. 19. The lion is called a foolish predator because dash. It feared a small porcupine and ran away. It misjudged its rival's attack ability. It remained hungry in the end. The answer is B. Next topic is spoken and written expression. For questions 20 to 24, choose the best response to complete each conversation. Example, customer at a restaurant. Waiter, I am sitting ready with my knife and fork. I am very hungry. Waiter, here is your food, sir. Enjoy your meal. 20. Jihan, do you have this shirt in a darker shade of brown? Attendant, dash. I like the shirt very much. Let me check. You can tell me. The answer is B. Let me check. 21. Travel agent. Where would you like to go? Gina. I'm not sure. I like places where I can enjoy nature. No, I'm fine. Thank you. These places are so crowded in summer, aren't they? The answer is A. I'm not sure. I like places where I can enjoy nature. 22. Gina, it's cloudy. It would rain. Would you carry an umbrella? Lalik Das. Is it always cloudy? Sure. I have one in my bag. How many should I carry? The answer is B. Sure, I have one in my bag. 23. Laila. What's Ritvik like? Dion. Dash. He is very nice. He likes me. Yes, I like him. The answer is he is very nice. Annie. Would you like some more dessert? Priya. Dash. I like it a lot. Enjoy yours. No thanks. I'm full. The answer is C. No thanks. I'm full. For questions 25 to 30, choose the best option to complete each blank. Brave is an interesting film with fun characters and a heartwarming story. Princess Merida is a determined girl and a dash archer. The options are skilled, skill, skillsome. The answer is A, skilled. Merida is a determined girl and a skilled archer. Her mother, Queen Eleanor, tries to teach Merida good manners and all the social niceties a princess does know. The options are ought to, have to, will. The answer is A, ought to. Princess ought to know, but Merida would dash ride out into the forest and practice archery. 27. The options are preferring, rather, never. The answer is B, rather. But Merida would rather ride out into the forest and practice archery. One day the three clans of the kingdom arrive at the palace. Eleanor dashes for them, announcing a competition in which the lord's eldest sons will compete to win Merida in marriage. 28. The options are sending, had sent, send. The answer is B, had sent. Eleanor had sent for them, announcing a competition in which the lord's eldest sons will compete to win Merida in marriage. However, Merida dares to accept her destiny. 29. The options are refuse, refusing, refuses. The answer is C, refuses. However, Merida refuses to accept her destiny. She rebels and runs away deep into the forest. She soon finds Das entering an old witch's cabin. 30. The options are she, herself, her. The answer is B, herself. She soon finds herself entering an old witch's cabin. There she receives a magic cake that changes her destiny forever. Next topic is Achiever section. For questions 31 to 33, choose the correct word or phrase to complete each sentence. 31. The latches and hinges are totally rusted now. The door dash in the last 200 years. Haven't opened, hadn't opened, hasn't been opened. The answer is C, hasn't been opened. The latches and hinges are totally rusted now. The door hasn't been opened in the last 200 years. 32. It's cloudy dash. It's not raining. As, so, but. The answer is C, but. It's cloudy but it's not raining. 33. You don't have to read this book if you dash to. Don't want, not wanting, want. The answer is A, don't want. You don't have to read this book if you don't want to. 34. Rearrange the words or phrases to form a meaningful sentence. Are coming today my grandparents to have lunch with us. You read the given options carefully. The answer is my grandparents are coming to have lunch with us today. So the first letter is C. So the answer is B. 35. Choose the best response to complete the conversation. Shriti, where can I find a good book on birds in the Indian subcontinents? Librarian dash. In the library, in the morning, in the second shelf. The answer is C, in the second shelf. So my dear students, today we have completed 2015 Set B IEO question paper for class 4 students. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.